Hi, this is Alexis from Healing Dose Compounding Pharmacy, and today I will be showing you the Magic Mouthwash Solution form. So for this one, it is already going to come pre-mixed for you, and what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottle first, and it might look separated on in the bottle. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to shake it vigorously until it's well mixed in the container. And after that, you're going to remove the lid, and you would take the syringe that comes with it, and you would put the syringe in the seal safe top, and you would do that. And then you would take the bottle and go upside down, and you would draw up, depending on what the doctor writes on the prescription, it's usually 5 ml, so you would just draw up on the syringe, and you would draw that up on the syringe and tilt the bottle upside down, and you would then take the syringe off the bottle, and then you would squirt that in your mouth and swish and spit like the other solution as well. And this one also, you do not want to eat or drink for 60 minutes afterwards. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at Healing Dose Compounding Pharmacy.